My name is Geetika and today I'll be making groundnut chikki. So the ingredients are 1 glass of groundnuts, 3/4 glass of sugar and 1 tablespoon of ghee. So let's get started with the recipe. First, let's put the groundnuts into the mixer. So this is how it should look after putting it into the mixer. So now I'm going to apply the ghee onto our plate and also on our rolling pin. So I finished applying the ghee. So next we have to have a thick pan. So I'm going to light it up and make sure that there is no water around. And next I'm going to add in the sugar. And now I'm going to stir. We have to stir it continuously. We should not stop stirring or else it will become small balls. It's starting to melt. It's melted, so now I'm going to check it. Yes, it's ready. Adding the groundnut powder that we made earlier. Next, we're going to roll it. We have to roll it to this thickness. So now we're going to cut it. Before I taste, I would like to give you a tip. You have to keep it in an airtight container after making it so that it will last for 15 to 20 days. So now let me taste it. Tastes amazing. I hope you try it sometime. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, click the like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family. Bye.